To create a card within a channel, start by accessing the channel using the channel icon in the navigation panel. Select the channel you want to add the card to. By clicking on Add, we can now choose a card from the template gallery and begin customizing it. Before we save it, we'll want to make sure we choose the library or folder where we want the card to live. To do this, use the Settings area to the right. In the Library Location section, choose the library or folder. If no selection is made, the card will be saved in the first library at the top of the list. In this section, you can also schedule a deletion date for your card if you'd like. For example, if you have a card with a date-sensitive message, you could set it to be permanently removed from the library or folder after it has displayed. By default, a card will remain in the library or folder indefinitely until manually removed. In the Auto Delete section, choose On a Specific Date, and choose the date from the calendar selector when you want the card to be removed. When you have completed your card, click Save in the upper right-hand corner. The card has now been successfully created and added to the playlist in the channel.